In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Shopify store in Canada. Whether you're new to e-commerce or expanding an existing business, creating a Shopify store can be a rewarding venture. Together, we'll walk through the necessary steps to establish your online presence, focusing on clarity and ease. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to create a Shopify account. Begin by visiting the Shopify website and signing up for a free trial. This is your opportunity to explore Shopify's features at no initial cost. Simply enter your email address and create a strong password to secure your account. Shopify will also ask for some details about your business and its location to tailor some of the options for your Canadian audience. Once your account is set up, it's time to explore the Shopify admin panel. Think of this as your store's control room. Here, you'll find sections dedicated to managing products, customizing themes, processing orders, and handling customer interactions. Spend some time navigating through these sections to become comfortable with the interface. Understanding how to efficiently use the admin panel will streamline your store management efforts. Now let's focus on the aesthetics of your store by choosing and customizing a theme. Shopify offers a wide variety of both free and paid themes, allowing you to select one that perfectly aligns with your brand and the type of products you're selling. The right theme sets the tone for your customers' shopping experience, so choose wisely. Once selected, take advantage of Shopify's customization tools to incorporate your branding elements. Adjust colors, fonts, and upload your logo to create a harmonious visual representation of your business. With your theme looking sharp, it's time to add your products. Provide detailed descriptions, set accurate pricing, and upload high-quality images that highlight your product's features. This information is crucial in attracting potential customers and providing them with all the details they need. To enhance navigation, group your products into collections. This will help customers easily find what they're looking for, improving their overall shopping experience. Next, you'll need to configure your store's settings. Start with payments by selecting your preferred payment gateway. Shopify Payments is a popular choice, but other options are available if needed. Setting up shipping rates is equally important. Configure these based on your location and product specifications, such as weight, ensuring they align with Canadian Postal Services. Don't forget to set up your tax rates in compliance with Canadian regulations. Lastly, draft essential legal pages like terms of service, privacy policy, and return policy to protect both your business and your customers. Before going live, it's critical to thoroughly test your store. Place some test orders to ensure the checkout process flows smoothly and verify that all links and functions operate as intended. Testing might seem tedious, but it's a vital step in delivering a seamless user experience. Once you're satisfied with the setup and testing, it's time to launch your store. Remove the password protection when you're ready to go public and think about adding a custom domain name for stronger branding. Congratulations, your Shopify store is now live and ready to welcome customers.